Alright, good afternoon everybody. In today's video we're going to be solving number 3 example, and number 3 example says the three consecutive terms of a GP are the second, the third and the sixth term of an arithmetic progression. Find the common ratio of the GP. So now consecutive terms are, for example, we have AR squared. These are consecutive terms. We have A n minus 1, we have A. This is AR raised power n minus 1, this is AR raised power n, and this is ARn plus 1. So, but I'll be using this one. This is equals to what? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 5D. And this is the second, the third, and the sixth terms of a GP. So, now, what we're going to do now is we're going to equate this. We're going to equate this by saying A r raised power n minus 1 is equals to A plus D, A r raised power n is equals to A plus 2D, A r raised power n plus 1 is equals to A plus 5D. And remember, in a GP, in a geometric progression, when you want to find the common ratio, you multiply the first two. When you want to find the common ratio, you divide the second one. This maybe, for example, we'll have A1, A2, A3 down to AN, and you want to find the common ratio, you divide this one with this one. A2 divided by A1, now A3 divided by A2, meaning AN over what? AN minus 1. So with that, you find what? The common ratio. So that's what we're going to be doing here now. So taking these two first, we're saying AR raised to power n over ARn minus 1 is equals to A plus 2D over A plus D. Taking these two again, I will now say is ARn plus 1 over what? ARn equals to A plus 5D over A plus 2D. And this is equals to R, this is equals to R. How is it equals to R? This, let us check. ARn over ARn minus 1. This is what this A will take care of. This will divide this off, and we'll have r raised power n over r raised power n minus 1. Now this is going to be r raised power n minus bracket rn minus 1. So this is r raised power n minus n plus 1. R raised power 1 r. So this is equals to r. This is equals to r, meaning that this is equals to this. This is equals to this. So since both of them is equal to r, instead of equating them to r again, we equate this one to this. And by saying that a plus 2, we call this equation 1, or anything 1, call this 2, anything 2. So a plus over what? Plus 2d over a plus d is equal to a plus 5d over a plus 2d. So you cross multiply to get what? That this is a squared plus 4ad plus 4d squared is equal to a squared plus 6ad plus 5d squared. So now this here we're going to have that this a squared is going to take care of this, because when you subtract a squared from both sides, all the two of them will vanish. So now you subtract 4ad from both sides. I will now have that you subtract 4d squared again from both sides. I have that 0 is equal to 2ad plus d squared, meaning that 0 is still equal to d is common. I bring d, which implies that 0 is equal to d bracket 2a plus d. I divide both sides by d. I now have that 0 is still equals to 2a plus d. So meaning that here we have that our d is equal to what? Negative 2a. So we can put it in equation 1 or put it in equation 2, and I'll say that r is equal to a plus 2d over a plus d. Now see that, but our d is what? 2a. R is equal to a plus 2 into 2a over a plus 2a. So now this is going to be what? A plus 2 times 2a is 4a. 4a over what? This is 3a. So we have what? 5a over 3a, mean that 5 over 3. So common ratio is what? 5 over 3, and that is the answer. There are many ways you can solve this. It's not a must that you go through this primary level. So that is how I did this one. Please make sure you watch my next video, because I'll be solving this and it's going to be fantastic or fantabulous. Thank you, and do have a nice day.